Hey Naomi, what are you doing, baby doll? Huh? What are you doing, pretty girl? Naomi, kitten, look at you, pretty. Look at you. You want to say hi to Mark, huh? You want to say hi? You want to say hi to Gracie? Joe? You want to say hi? You want to say hi to Joe? Come on. I know you can talk. A little bit. Come on, baby. No? You don't feel like talking, baby? Little Naomi. Little Naomi. Look at you. Come on. You ready for your close-up? No. You sniff it? Say, I'm the prettiest girl. Say, I'm the prettiest kitty. I'm the prettiest tortoiseshell kitty. See? Look at that pretty face. Look at that pretty face. Naomi. Kitten. Little kitten. Oh, by the way, guys, she's on top of my hamster's cage. Now, Naomi. Come on. Show your fears. Come on. Show your fears. Naomi. Come on, kitten. Oh, now she want to bite. She want to be big. She want to be big. See how you resist that beautiful face. Oh, get your tail. Oh, little Naomi. This is little Naomi. Well, I think she's done with her FaceTime, so I guess I'll leave you guys alone. Toodaloo. Okay, Joey. It's Mark. Look at my eyes. Goodbye.